Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open a demo account. Mine is MetaTrader 4. This is where I usually do my trading and demo accounts, not where I'll do all my trading. It is a good place to start if you're doing Forex. Penny stocks, not so good. Thinkswim, I think, does a demo account. They do penny stocks. Let me show you. So once you get here, MetaTrader 5 is of course the newest one. MetaTrader 4 is the oldest one, and I've always used MetaTrader 4, and I'll show you why in a minute. Go to it, open account, see what it says demo. You'll click on demo. It doesn't matter your broker. At this time, you can pick a broker that you're going to trade with. Do your research, play with 2 or 3 of them. It doesn't matter. Some are in the U.S., some are not, and there's a big difference between the U.S. brokers and not. U.S. brokers gets monitors. Overseas brokers do not get monitored. Overseas brokers will give you a bigger leverage than United States brokers, just because they get monitored. So be careful of that. So we'll click. You're going to do exist account, of course. You got our real account. You click here, demo account. Just click. Put your name, email, phone number. This right here, I would just leave this like it is. But this is $5,000. It's always geared to 5,000. Leave it that way. You're just playing around with it and start it out. And like if you're going, this is your starting out time, first time of doing it, just leave it like it is. You can put up 10,000. You can go out to 5 million, but 3,000, 5,000. Once you play around it 6 months, a year, and you're feeling comfortable with it, then you can change this to, like, if you're going to put $1,000 in the account, $500 in the account, you're going to open a demo and then use that. And like I said in other videos, once you get this money tripled or quadrupled or whatever, then go from there. You can take 5,000 to 2,000, or 500 to 2,000, or 500 to 5,000. Then yeah, I think you should go ahead and open your real account. So I'm not going to do this, guys, just for the fact I already have a demo account. I'm not going to have 2 or 3. This is one thing. When I do MetaTrader 5, I don't know. The first time I did it, I deleted it, but a lot of these didn't show up. And it may just because I didn't wait to download enough. But these are your indicators, and you just name it through here. I ain't gonna go to this much, but this is why I did not do MetaTrader 5, just because a lot of these didn't show up. So these are all, stuff that's down here for free, indicators and stuff. Now, moving on. This is Trader's View. They do not have a demo account, but they do have a lot of tools that you can use. And it does not matter who you are. And when you get there at the first time, it'll have you to build an account. I think it says try for free or something like that. Yeah, free trial. Just click it, try it out, and see if you like it from there. I don't even know how much information you have to put in. It's not very much. Email, I don't even know, phone number. But these are the tools. But now this being said, this is why I said start out. This is a good account because you got all stocks, future stocks, Forex, cryptocurrency, indicator, or whatever you want to call them. So let's just do stocks. Yeah, so you got Apple, Tesla, Facebook, all these. So they don't have a demo account per se. They do, I haven't seen it, but they have a lot of tools that the rest of them don't have. Now, if you look at MetaTrader, they do have some, like they got Fibonacci, some drawing tools here and there. They don't have Pitchfork. They don't have a lot of tools that MetaTrader over here has. I mean, each little thing is full with different tools you can use and learn. Write on your screen, type on your screen. I mean, and you're allowed one screen and I think 2 indicators. on a non-published. I mean, not you don't pay for it; it's free. So if you don't pay for it, you only allow one screen and one this. But see, you can find people that's got these indicators. This is one back here behind me. Maybe you can see it. Yeah, see it changes green, tells you it's going up. This is going down. But that's one indicator. This right here is another indicator. But this is like 12 indicators in one. And of course, you got the bag one. That's 2. So there's my 2. But that's what I'm saying. You can buy these off somebody. I think the guy who invented this one now has like 30 or 40 indicators in this one, and it's got another one up here that's got like I think 12 or 17 in it. So there's your 2 indicators. It goes in the war and I mean all this, but it's got the line and everything else. But he's charging for it. This one he gave for free. But it's got a lot of, like I said, this one's got 12 indicators. I think in all I got 14 indicators on here. I think there's 12 here and there's one here that's included in this. And then of course I got the background. So, and I think if you pay for it, it works. Mine only works on 1 minute and 15 minutes. If you go to the daily or hourly, it doesn't work. And if you see there's lines and then of course the red. But there's like I said, 12 in there. And I think part of the 12 is these 2 up here, which is 13, 14. And I got the backs 15, I guess. But they bundled the indicators to make them, this company not let them to do it. But that being said, be careful what you do, because my broker here allows me to have MetaTrader for free as long as they're my broker, and I can pick all my screens. Got all the tools. I can have more screens on here. And then let me get over here. I have more screens on here than if I just had my regular account. So my broker gives it to me for free. So I wouldn't go out and pay for it until you get your broker. Just use a demo account. I mean, not the demo account, just the free account version of it, and see if your broker offers it. But like I said, my broker allows me to use it, and I can have many screens I want. And the tools, settings, everything just like MetaTrader if I just paid for it. I don't know how many indicators allow me to have on here. I never tried that, but I can have up to 6 screens. I think I have up to like 5 or 6 alerts. The other one I think will allow 1 alert, and that's it. So that's the difference. So don't go out and pay for something you don't need. Even though if you pay for TraderView, if you get it for free, they'll start sending you discounts if you order it. If you order it, they'll actually give you a 30-day free trial if you do the regular order. But then after that, they start sending you coupons. Basically, then if you subscribe for it before your time's up again, they'll start sending you more and more and more. And I heard the best time to do it is around Black Friday, which is coming up. They give people discounts on Black Friday, and like they'll give you pay for 12 months, get 3 months free, or pay for a year, you get 3 months free. They only charge for like 9 months or something like that. And I think around Christmas they do it, and then of course by the same time next year they're going to do some kind of promotion again. So this is another one. This is a demo account. It's c.sportswear.com. It's a demo account, so this is another way you can go demo. And they got a lot of tools on it. Indicators. The good thing about them, they actually tell you, well, actually MetaTrader does too. I mean, a Trader's View. Let me go back to show you. This one actually will tell you kind of what to get in and get out, and you can look at it. I don't go by that because I've seen where they tell me, this is a good spot to get in, and wind up not. I went the opposite way. They predicted and won money. So it's just something there, I think, just to benefit you. If you go here and go down, they'll have people telling you what they bid on, so what's good and what's not. Let me pull one up here. See, they're trying to give me a 30-day free trial. And if you do the free trial, they will tell you that, you know, here we go. See, people's putting all kinds of notes, message, there's my alert, ideals, which there's probably none right now because it's not live today, Sunday. Nothing's working today too well. So anyway, so this kind of gives you, you know, market. So there's another one. But here's for Forex Brokers. If you want to get into Forex Brokers, here's your website, topfxbrokersreview.com, and you can go in here and you got to educate it. You can get educated on here. You can go in and review your Forex brokers. I mean, it tells you which one's scams, which one's not. Here's the best Forex brokers. See, these take credit cards, PayPal, minimum deposits. They got a demo account. And let's see, in your scam brokers report, yeah, see, here's your scams. See, it tells you offshore, no license, no license. Well, these are the ones I will not use. These are the ones that people's been reporting as scams, and there's a lot of them. Let me see. Broker by country, which is pretty good. I'm gonna go show you this. This is, what is it? So go, you know, try to do this, and then you go in there and get educated for this. But if you go to babypips.com, they do have a lot of training, educational stuff on the markets and stuff. So you can go do research there. YouTube is another one. Let's see. Let's go to Canada. There's Canada's brokers listing. This one's a good one, I heard. This one's a good one. This is a good one. And you can hear my kids up. So it tells you, you know, your minimum deposit. Yeah, so I've seen a lot of people do this one. Your minimum deposit is $200 to get in this broker. Yeah. So this is how you get your demo account. Check these out, brokers. Babypips.com. Like I said, is another good place to get educated. This one is another one. If you're going to do the Forex market, it's another place to get educated, and it is free. I think that's about it. I don't know. I don't have Think or Swim on here just for the fact MetaTrader is a software that you have to download to your computer. So MetaTrader is a software you have to computer. So for this, I can't just run to some or other computer and up it. I can't run to my cell phone does have MetaTrader on it, and it is this account, but on the phone it doesn't show. Like if I pull this screen up, it's not going to show it. So that's kind of the leery part of the MetaTrader. It is a software that you have to download on your computer. Think or Swim or something like that is another one. You have to download your thing. E-Trade does not have a demo account. Last time when I played with it, it starts you out with like you can get on there and look around, but if you don't deposit like $500 on their account, they won't let you do it. Trader's View is a software online, so no matter where I go to, I got the app on my phone. But the good thing about the app on my phone, whatever I do here, it is on my phone. So if I draw these lines here, it's on my phone. I can go to anybody's computer and pull this website up. It is cloud-based, and I can pull it up and look at it and see all my designs, all my charts. So that's where I can see all these lines. All this will pull up on my phone. I should have my phone in here, but I don't have it. But that's one reason why I like Trader's View, because what I do here, it's going to show. Trader's View. That's why I show up here. It shows up here. So that's another thing you got to look for. Other than that, after you open your demo account, you learn it. Open another demo account with exactly what you're going to pause in the market, and then go from there. Don't go in here and start trading, because you may go in here and say, hey, somebody told me it's going to go short, and you win it all the way down through here, and you think, oh, I'm good at trading. So next thing you know, you get back over here, and you get up here, you're going to short it again, and it comes back down. When you just stay in it, when it pulls us back, and you don't know if your pullback is going to survive this pullback, and then you lose. So this is where I tell you that it's best to learn the market and what it's doing, because you might have it here somewhere, you get in it and it rides up and then it pulls this back, and then it pulls back down there, and you may lose every bit of money you have because you don't have enough money to cover it. You might bet high, you might bet your lot size might be, you might put your lot size too high and you can't survive the pullback. Your broker logs you out, and then you lose everything. And it's happened to me, and so that's where I always tell you, learn the markets, learn where it's at, learn what you can bet, what you're going to lose, and how much you're going to lose. To keep that in your mind, how much you're going to lose in that bet, and get out of it at that time. Just the fact that you may not survive it. Comes up, hits, pulls back, hits, and that's where I tell people, you might put $300 in there, but your lot size might be way too high, and this candle right here automatically comes up, and you're only in it right here. You get up to, you might take $100 or $300 up to $450, or $300 up to $350, and then this pullback right here, that broker logs you out, even though you put your stop loss down here, but you done blew over half your account, and he logs you out. You lost your money. That's why I said you got to learn this market. Don't just get in it and start trading just because you want to trade forward. Penny stocks, similar same way. There's other research for penny stocks, and we'll go on that later. Other than that, that's what I want to do, just show you how to open a demo account. That's how you open a demo account. So happy trading.